The Lindsay Clancy murder trial continuing today in Massachusetts, and in this week's Ask Isaacs, Lori Tucker brings questions about postpartum psychosis and the defense's case to legal analyst Greg Isaacs.
All right, thanks so much. And Greg, always good to see you.
Lori, it's good to be here.
Even though this is a tough case to talk about, when we watched the Lindsay Clancy trial and the proceedings that have been going on since July 20th, the testimony is so graphic and so disturbing, and we can't forget there are 3 innocent children who were the victims here.
Wow, 3 innocent children that were strangled with a workout band by their mother, 35-year-old OBGYN nurse, Lindsay Clancy. But what else is going on in that courtroom? This young mother was suffering from severe postpartum psychosis.
We're not talking baby blues,
No,
and not to minimize that because that's a real thing. This is full on psychosis.
Well, and in her case, let me tell you how bad it was, what we've heard in that Massachusetts courtroom. Within the 4 months leading up to this horrific homicide, this triple homicide, she saw 6 different medical providers, was rushed to the hospital at least on one occasion for having suicidal ideation, went to inpatient treatment for postpartum psychoses, was on 13 prescribed antipsychotic drugs, and after she horrifically took the life of her 3 children, tried to kill herself by cutting her own wrists, slicing her throat, jumping out a window, and as she sits in that courtroom, she is now a paraplegic.
And she admits that she did this, but the defense is saying, hey, because of everything you just talked about, she should not be held criminally responsible. How tough is it to win a case like that?
Let me tell you what you have to prove. You have to prove that someone, one, is suffering from a serious mental disease or defect. And Lori, these records scream serious mental health issue. But second, you have to prove by clear and convincing evidence that she could not appreciate the rightfulness or nature of her conduct. And that's where it gets difficult. So, you think from the view from Google Earth that this is a good case for the insanity defense. Lori, if you're the lawyer in the back of your mind, you know that nationally 97% of these cases with this defense fail. They get convicted. The only way this defense works is if you work the case out and use it as leverage.
Now, she tried to get help. What does that say?
Well, that's what you're going to do. And it's really a very unfortunate dichotomy because it's like a Greek tragedy. So you have these 3 young children, ages 5, ages 3, ages 8 months, that were strangled by their mother. But on the other hand, you have a person suffering from documented postpartum psychosis who cried for help in the 4 months leading up to this. And she sits there in a wheelchair after trying to take her own life, after committing this homicide. Clearly no winners, but thoughts and prayers to the family of these individuals.
Absolutely. Greg, thank you.
If you have a legal question, send it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com. Remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on Channel 6. For a deeper conversation, you can watch right now on WATE 6+.